get to our psychology behind the headlines. Is social media as dangerous as tobacco? Surgeon General Vivek Murthy calls for action. Murthy urges Congress to mandate tobacco style warning labels on social media platforms. In a New York Times op ed, Murthy highlights the ongoing mental health crisis among young people, linking it to social media use. He believes these warnings could increase awareness and encourage safer online habits. We're going to bring in clinical hypnotherapist Renee Brent. So, what's your take on this, Renee?
Oh boy. Uh, a little bit too late, in my opinion, but I'm glad they're looking at it. A label to a child is like, nothing, but at least we're looking at it. There's so much research now that we're catching up with ourselves. And I think that's one thing that COVID did is it helped us to get an idea where our kids were and how much time they were spending on social media and how it's affecting women, girls, about their own body image. And at such an age, these kids are starting on social media. I have 9-year-olds that have cell phones and they're on social media. So not only do we have to have some kind of warning, I think we need to do more parental work with them around this than the children, because they're going to get what they can and they're going to try and work for what they want. But I think we need, as parents, need to have some control. So at least our government's looking at it.
Yeah, I agree with you. It's a little late, but at least it's a step. And those warning labels on tobacco packages did help reduce usage over the years. So one can only hope.
They did. In the United States, those warnings were like, this is bad for your health. And if you've ever seen the warning labels in
Oh
Europe
yeah, those are
with
graphic.
the lungs and the dying, I mean, it's pretty graphic. So we have it pretty easy in the United States. But I am glad that they're looking at it. I think we need to warn more towards parents and do more parental education, and for how it is affecting. I'd like to see more research around how it's affecting body image, especially for girls.